country's Indigenous peoples are the descendants of the people who lived there before it was occupied or conquered by others. Many Indigenous peoples led difficult lives. Often, they have been forced off their lands and denied many basic human rights, including the right to make decisions about things that affect them and the right to practice their culture. When they have tried to assert their rights, many have been killed, imprisoned, or tortured. Today, Indigenous peoples account for just 5% of the global population, but make up 15% of the world's extreme poor. There are more than 370 million Indigenous peoples in more than 90 countries, each with their own unique culture and languages. Australia's Indigenous peoples are Aboriginal Australians and Torres Strait Islander peoples. The United Nations is an international organisation. Over 190 countries around the world are members, and they discuss and make decisions about important issues that affect people around the world. On the 13th of September 2007, the United Nations General Assembly adopted the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples. This is a document that explains how the rights of Indigenous peoples should be protected. It contains 46 articles describing these rights and providing ideas about how governments can protect these rights. The Declaration has a number of main themes. These include: Indigenous peoples should have the right to control their own lives by deciding what they think is best for them. Indigenous peoples have the right to live and celebrate their own unique cultures. All people should be treated equally regardless of culture, race, age, or gender. Before any decisions that affect them are made, Indigenous peoples must be told what is proposed, and they must freely make up their own mind regarding whether they agree to the proposals or not. There must not be any pressure from non-Indigenous people. The Declaration is designed to help Indigenous peoples and their cultures survive and thrive with dignity in an ever-changing world.
If you liked this video, you can find it and so many more at clickview.net. Sign up for free today.